Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video which will be of use to any of you Bqool automated repricer users. I had a request on the Sell Books FBA Facebook group asking me how I deal with my manually repriced books. So I have about 250 to 300 books that I manually reprice once or twice a week because these particular books might be of a higher value, or I just want to monitor the market on it, so I don't want to use those in an automated sense. So for these particular books, it can be quite tedious to use the Bqool managed listings pages here and to manually go through each link here, click through again into the main listings page to see where your book's positioned compared to the rest of the prices. So what I've done is I've created a Google sheet which makes the manual repricing process a little bit faster. It means that you can tab out multiple listings pages and it will go straight to the FBA listing, so you can quickly sift through and see which ones need to be changed, see which ones can stay as they are, whether you want to put them up or down. So the first step of this process is what I've got currently up is the inactive listings, because these are a bunch of rubbish books that I don't mind showing you guys. But what you would do if you're doing it in your proper active books, you would click on this active and paused button and then you'd go download and you'd download this into a CSV file. So this step is required because what you will need to do, as I'll show you on the Google sheet, is that you need to convert column H in this CSV file from general or number format into text format, because unfortunately you can see these ones here I'm highlighting, those ASINs are incorrect because they've not got the right amount of digits. So you can see this one, because the zero has been taken off, it's only 9 digits long. So if I put, that would be correct there if I put a 0 in front of it, but currently it's not, that's not the way it is. So for example of this video, what we'll do is you'll copy the column down. I'm just going to copy 12. And then you'll go into this Google sheet, which I will share and you can download a copy of. You will put the incorrect ASINs into column B, and voila, just like that, in column D, we have the ASINs in correct 10-digit format. Once you've got them in correct 10-digit format, you will copy them and you'll paste them into sheet 1. I'm not going to do that because I've already got some ASINs loaded which are not mine. So we won't see myself on listings, which is quite necessary at this point. We don't want eyes on my listings, do we? So the whole purpose of this sheet is that you can tab out as many listings URLs as your laptop can handle. So my one can deal with 20 at a time, relatively easy. So I usually open up 20 at a time. For this purposes, I'll just open up 10 just so we can go through them. And voila, if you press Option Enter or Alt Enter on a Windows PC laptop, you'll be able to do what I just did there and open up as many listings pages as you have highlighted. What have we got there? We've opened up 9 there relatively easily, and look at that, they're all loaded up with the keeper graph. Not quite the keeper graph yet. There you go. But that was quite quick, wasn't it? And what we'd do if we were one of these people, say we were Rock City Books, we'd then be able to quickly see that we are 3rd in line on FBA offers, and we are unlikely to sell that unless we get down to 197.31 or lower. So then you'd go back into your repricing interface on Bqool and you'd click on your listing there and you'd change your price. And then you'd go on to the next one and you'd see, oh, if you were RentU, you'd be a bit annoyed because you are pricing yourselves out of the market because you are above Amazon's new price. You'd go back into Bqool again and you'd probably put your offer down to maybe 183. And then you'd close again, and we'll go through one more example. If you were Artlessly, you'd see, oh, maybe I need to reduce my offer a bit because people are likely to spend an extra 46 cents to get the new book. Maybe I should put my price down to 180. And it goes like that. And obviously you can quickly go through And if you think if you're rock city, you can quickly close that and think, oh, I'm in line. I'm going to be the next sale, so I'll go on to the next one. And I hope this video is clear and shows you how this technique is a little bit more powerful and a little bit quicker than just manually tabbing out each link in your Bqool interface. This enables you to open up multiple tabs at once and quickly sift through your offers to see where you are underpricing yourself or overpricing yourself, and it's just a great way to manually reprice your books quite quickly. I find I can get through 250 in half an hour. So doing that 1 or 2 times a week is not too time taxing for me. And yeah, so I hope that makes sense again. If it did, and if it provided value, I would love it if you gave this video a like. If you want to subscribe, that would also be great for the channel. And yeah, I will catch you in the next one, or see you in the Facebook group. I'd love for you to join if you haven't already. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this spreadsheet. That's about it. Have a great day, afternoon, evening, morning. Catch you in the next one.